everybody, it's Dima and Nika and the Journey channel, and it's crazy early, it's 4 AM.
We are going to Hong Kong.
It's another ring bell.
We have to go now.
Yeah, we go to airport because it's super close to our home in Chiang Mai. We decided to pick very strange method. We're going to on bicycles and check this out. Can you hear it? It's a crazy sound of nature.
That was easy. We just left our bikes right over there, over the gates, just 100 meters from here. And the airport is over here. The ride took us about 8 minutes and was really easy because no cars on the street due to the fact that it's 4 AM. It was a really nice ride and we are here and we are not late.
There is a lot of bicycles near the entrance of the airport.
Yeah, we were not just the only ones who thought of this option.
Good morning, sir. It looks like we have a new...
Continue.
Have you bought a ticket on the flight?
He's leaving. He doesn't like your question.
Turn them off to prepare for landing.
So we're pretty much soon landing in Hong Kong. We have a pretty great flight. I slept almost all of it. Half empty plane, and we even got this really cool priority seat. Also we have a really strange procedure. The crew goes... Yeah, okay. We landed and now I can use my electronic device. Go through some strange procedure. At the end of the flight, the cabin crew go with some spray and aerosol here from the insects or bugs, probably some Chinese procedure. We're here in Gangkong. The weather is really cool. I'm pretty excited about this city. I hope at the evening it would be like in some sci-fi, some cyberpunk movie. So we're here in Gangkong airport. We're going to look for
Airport Express.
Airport
It should
Express.
take us approximately like near our apartment. It costs one way 70 Hong Kong dollars, but we
Alright.
got a round trip on a Kloot website, which gave us a good discount. Normally it costs 185 for one person, and we got 240 for both of us.
I've just read two pretty cool facts about Hong Kong. First one, there are two official languages here. First one, it's Chinese, and the second one is English.
When we first watched some videos on YouTube about traveling here, people didn't speak English at all. Maybe older generation don't speak and younger
Probably.
should.
And the second fact, it's top one city in the world by amount of skyscrapers. It's 317 here. It's crazy. For comparison, New York has only 215. It should be a city of skyscrapers.
So we withdraw some money, hopefully without any commission, because I didn't see any sign of it.
500 Hong Kong dollars.
It's like $60 or $70. And now we need to find a place where we can buy octopus card, because I read that it's impossible to go here without one. You can buy it in the airport. It's a card which you can use for the public transport and for small restaurants and for fast food chains and even for some retail shops like 7-Eleven. And there's lots of places where you can top up this card with an amount you want. It's basically like cash, because this card doesn't have any of your information, and if you lose you lose your money. We should get one. In 2 days when we go back, we can return the card and get the deposit back, and if there is any money on the card left, they also give it back to you for some small fee, I guess $1 or something.
So we bought this octopus card. To buy, you can go to this place where they sell train tickets to the city. The Aero Express can buy this octopus card. They cost 115 per each. 50 of them is deposit. Get it back.
100 is the amount you can spend, and you also can get below your remaining value once, but then you have to top it up to use it again. When you get your deposit back, they also will see how much is left, and if you owe something.
If you want to buy it fast, go to this guy. He's super fast.
We came to this station where we can get Airport Express to the city, and you don't need a ticket to get in, but you need one to get out of the train. Here we don't see any check for the ticket. I already read that we'll need to show them when we arrive. This Airport Express, it goes 3 or 4 stops. All the public transport with Octopus card goes with a discount, but it's better to buy tickets for this particular train without Octopus card because it's cheaper this way.
Blame it on me. They just want a scapegoat. I just tried to fit in. You've got to beg just to get in line. The fights, the lies. I just tried to be good. You've got to break to get out of the woods. They tell me I look good.
Right now we're near our home, and to get here after the Airport Express we took another bus. It's free.
Included an Airport Express ticket, but they didn't really check the ticket, so I guess it's just free if you want to use it. It goes from the stops of Airport Express, from the Kowloon station,
And stops at the hotels.
Main touristic hotel. Get there very easily, or if you stay somewhere nearby like we do, you can also take these buses and just go by walk like a couple minutes.
First impressions, it's a really huge city, a lot of skyscrapers. It looks like New York. I've never been in New York, but I think, and a lot of like advertising, everything shiny.
Behind us.
I think at night time it will be really cool. You can see the skyscrapers like this everywhere. It's huge, really huge. Just a hall with a lot of money exchange, and it's just an elevator here. Took us in our apartment, I hope.
In the reviews to this place, we are saying that the elevators are really small.
Picked the wrong line
There
because
was just 2 lines,
with 2 elevators. Yeah.
One of them goes to odd levels and the other one goes to even ones. We are staying at the 7th floor, so we need to stay in odd line, and we didn't. So we missed our line, and now we are back again.
You can see these 2 elevators. This with odd numbers and this with even numbers. And there is some guy who managed the line past the people through the elevator. And also we can see the cameras inside the elevator, and we see the people inside it. Really strange. We have a bad news. We're in the very bad situation right now because our host said
He doesn't have room for us. He had some problem with the card and he didn't bother to notice us as long as 1 month's booking was stated.
he told us to cancel our reservation. Said offer us a room pretty
From his
similar.
friend,
Yeah.
like on other floor. It appears that it's not his room, not this property, but of his friends.
It's okay if he offered for our cost, which we booked on the booking. After we cancelled, as he said we need to pay by cash. We want to pay by cash, but after we cancelled, the price is increased, and he said you need to pay
Like double the price.
Yeah, double the price.
And then he like stopped understanding English, and he was just like, pay this price or like go. We went away,
Yeah.
and now we don't have any place to stay for tonight and tomorrow.
We wrote the mail to booking, and our friend in Hong Kong called him. They said it's very bad that we cancel the property, because if we don't cancel,
Yeah, they can do something, but now they probably can do something. something, but it's harder, and we are not sure. We spent like 2 or 3 hours already to find a new property.
And the prices is crazy.
It's the last time booking, and there is
Yeah.
no options for tonight.
For example, for one bed in dormitory hostel, you need to pay for one night $300.
They tell me I look good, they tell me I am fine, but they never seem to ever let me come inside. They tell me I look good, they tell me I am fine.
We reached light show.
The Symphony of Lights
Every evening at 8 p.m. This appears.
near the Avenue of Stars.
There is light show, but we a little bit late, so probably we missed something.
We arrived 5 minutes past 8 and started right at 8, so I guess it was really short. But now everything is lighted up. Looks pretty cool though.
A lot of buildings flashing their lights.
So there are some ships coming by and they're all lighted up. Looks really nice. Why we're late is because there was a queue to cross the road and we spent like 7 or 10 minutes there.
Here's a queue everywhere. We still wait for our room, but the good news is booking refund us completely.
And now they are looking for a place for us, not us anymore. It takes them a lot of time, so we pay the price we were like supposed to pay this afternoon 10 hours ago, and they refund the rest. That's
Yeah.
why I think they don't want to find really expensive place because they don't want to pay. We should get a home.
Yeah.
soon.
We're looking forward to it. Here is supposed to be entrance on the Avenue of Stars, like in the Hollywood area. There is a stars on the floor with Chinese and Hong Kong stars. It seems closed, but I'm not sure if it's closed permanently or just at the night time. I hope it's only in the night time because I really want to see it tomorrow.